Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, my free thinking rebels, to another episode of Decrypting Crypto. I am your host, Stefan Subero, the Holistic Growth Mentor. Now, are you wondering if Bitcoin is still a good buy? In this video, we are going to dive deep into the current state of Bitcoin and provide a solid proof that it is still a worthy investment. Now, I want to invite you to stay all the way to the end of this video, and I will reveal one of the biggest factors that no one else is talking about as to why Bitcoin still has a long way to go, and really, really cool stuff we're going to talk about today. Now, my friends, I am on a mission to help busy parents and entrepreneurs just like you to safely invest and automate your digital assets, create passive income, and build a legacy for yourself, your family, and your community. Now, if you're joining us live, please take a minute, smash that like and subscribe button, and please share the link with your friends and family so you don't miss out on any of our content. Shout out to Denny in the house. Hi to you, my friend. Nice to see you here joining in. Looking forward to sharing this information with everybody right now. So let's jump straight into my first point. And this is one of the proofs that I like to look at. So I'm going to jump into the charts first. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin Liquid Brave Index chart. And this is really going to allow us to see historically why Bitcoin is still has a long way to go, and why we're still at good areas to buy, even though we're up. How much are we up right now? We are up 42% from the last low. So we're going to look at two things on the charts right now. We're going to look at the Bitcoin halving, and we're going to look at the golden pocket, which is one of the main Fibonacci zones that in the previous market cycles, we have seen massive price action after breaking these areas. So if we just go back in history, and right now, if we look at the Bitcoin halving, we are about 135 days from the Bitcoin halving. So about estimated April 12th. That's the estimated date for the next halving. Now, if we look at the past history, like in the last bull cycle, we only went parabolic about 2 or 3 months after the halving, and after we broke the golden pocket, that kind of solidified and gave us that strength to know that, hey, we're going off. And that's what happened in the last cycle. The cycle previous to that, similar thing happened after we broke the golden pocket, which was pretty much at the same time as the halving. Then we went parabolic. And if we go back to the first market cycle, we can see the same thing happening. After the halving, we broke the golden pocket. We went full into parabolic zone. Now, with that said, what should we be looking out for? And I've talked about this before. We are looking out for the halving and the breaking of the golden pocket. Now, if you want to dive deeper into this specific strategy, I made a video specifically about that Bitcoin 2025 price prediction, and I went straight into how I believe this is going to play out, you can definitely check out that video down here. Now, the next thing I want to look at with everybody is this specific website, the blockchaincenter.net. Now, there's a specific chart called a Bitcoin rainbow chart that has been extremely accurate at marking the tops and the bottom of Bitcoin. So if we look at this also, again, showing you the halving, which is the blue line, right? The previous 3 halvings, and this is the next halving coming up. Now, every time Bitcoin is in the dark blue areas, that has marked significant bottom in areas. These are the buy zones that we talk about. And whenever we start getting into the orange, red, yellow, and above to the dark red, that has always signified high areas of sell pressure where we have tended to top out. And then that's when we see the reversal. Now, if we take a look at this now, like it's been super accurate in the past. Bottom buy zones at the top in the red, we have the sell areas. Similarly here, bottom, top, we have the red, the sell areas. Now, this is another chart that really is showing me we're still in accumulation. We're still in good areas to buy. At this stage, continue accumulating, and let's just wait for the halving, and then possibly getting that parabolic move to the upside. When we start getting into these areas, that's when we can start looking at possibly taking profits. And this is all based on your individual strategy. Now, before we move on to the last bit of information, and this one nobody is talking about, I'm going to drop this quick message from our sponsors at The Future of Money. As the world sinks deeper into debt, your hard-earned money loses value daily. The solution: safeguard your wealth with smart, diversified, and decentralized income strategies. Breakout Solutions is on a mission to take back personal freedom, individual rights, and financial sovereignty. As the era of CBDCs, digital IDs, and social credit system approaches, it's crucial to act now to safeguard your financial future. Introducing The Future of Money, your guide to what's happening and what is coming. Join our 90-minute session to equip yourself, your loved ones, and your business against a system bent on control. Your time is precious. Don't waste it anymore. Use the link below, join our next virtual event, and access my exclusive bonuses. All right, my friends. So now this is the final proof that I've found that we still have a long way to go for Bitcoin, and that we are super early, still a great time to buy. And it's pretty simple. It's actually Google Trends. So I invite you to try this as well. You can go ahead and double check this information. So if you go on Google Trends and you put in Bitcoin price, and you put in, you can put whatever time frame you want, put in as far as you can. So I put in from 2011 up till now, and we can see a direct correlation with the amount of people searching for this term and the correlation with the price action. Now, if we look at this spike here on the chart is in December of 2017. And if we go back onto our trading view chart, we can see right here, December, well, let's put it right. Yep, December of 2020. Sorry, wrong one. 17. Here we go. December of 2017. Exact moment when we got to the top in that market cycle. Incredible, right? Google search trends correlates directly with how many people are searching, which means how many people are investing in the coin. Specifically, we're talking about retail traders. And if we look now, the last market cycle, February of 2021, and then May of 2021. Let's look at this correlation now. If we go back to the last market cycle, let's see. So here we go. February 2021, we hit the top the first time, and then again right here in, what did it say? February and May. Well, here we go. February and then May. Perfect. So these are the two major areas that we found that all-time high for the first time. And then after that, we can see that price action just started to move down, move down. And right now, we are at the bottom of what is the search area. So nobody's looking for Bitcoin. Most of retailers are not looking at crypto right now. This is why we still have massive opportunity moving forward. A lot of influx will be coming in. So keep an eye on the Google Trends, my friends. Great place for you to check on this asset. And again, not something that everybody would look at, but definitely a great place to have a look. So that is all I have for you today, my free thinking rebels. If you are willing to make a change, feel free to check out our Future of Money Masterclass. You can access the replay by using the link below, or also take some time and join us at one of our future events. Definitely looking forward to seeing you there. Have a great one. Stefan out.